Welcome to the Fear and Greed Afternoon Market Report for Monday, the 27th of September 2021, where in just a few minutes I tell you everything you need to know about what's happened in financial markets and the world of economics today. I'm Sean Aylmer. The S&P ASX 200 finished up 0.5% today to close at 7,384 points. The energy and financial stocks outperformed, while the healthcare and information technology companies underperformed. Commonwealth Bank was a standout, up almost 3%, while both Afterpay and CSL fell nearly 2%. Iron ore prices look to have stabilised around the $110 a tonne level, and that's provided a bit more support for the big miners. Fortescue Metals, which hit a 52-week low last Friday, ended the day up 2.7%, while Rio Tinto was 1.2% higher. Print-on-demand group Redbubble was the best performer of the top 200, up more than 7%, but it was the travel companies that did best, following New South Wales Premier Gladys Berejiklian providing a time frame for the reopening of the state. Flight Centre travel closed more than 7% higher, while Webjet was up 5.4%. Qantas and Corporate Travel Management both finished more than 3% higher. In fact, the travel companies have done really well over the past 6 weeks or so as the vaccination rates have risen. And a special shout out to the A2 Milk Company. It's the worst performing stock on the top 200 over the past 12 months because its channel to market into China, the Daigou channel, has been decimated by COVID-19. Today, its share price rose 5%. On the other side of the ledger, data centre operator NextDC was the worst performer, down 3.8%, while property group Domain Holdings was off more than 3%. Its main rival, REA Group, fell 1.5%. Even though the price of gold rose over the past 24 hours, the share prices of many of the gold miners fell. Newcrest was off 1.1% and Northern Star Resources was 1.5% lower. In corporate news, Sigma Healthcare has lobbed a bid for Australian pharmaceutical industries, topping the Wesfarmers bid made last month. Sigma and API are arch rivals and have been for years. In fact, a couple of years ago, API made a bid for Sigma. API share price rose 3% today, while Sigma was up 1.6%. Oil prices keep rising and Brent crude is trading near 3-year highs. The recovering global economy, alongside supply problems due to weather, is pushing prices up. That's helped some of the oil and gas stocks. Woodside ended the day up more than 3% and Santos was 2% higher. The Aussie dollar is trading just a touch under 73 US cents. That's it for the afternoon market report for Monday, the 27th of September, 2021. Don't forget to hit follow on the podcast and find Fear and Greed on LinkedIn, Twitter and Facebook. Join me tomorrow morning for the Tuesday edition of the Fear and Greed Business Headlines. I'm Sean Aylmer. Enjoy your evening.